Bitcoin currently sitting at 89,453. And there are some key levels that we were watching out for. Right now, we're looking to retest some key levels. We're going to be looking at 89. Is it going to hold 89? And then if it doesn't hold 89, what's the next level? So we're looking at 89, then about 86.5. And if we don't hold 86.5, we're going down to 82. Now, you would think that that's crazy right now because everybody is awaiting the crypto summit, which is happening actually tomorrow. So right now, it's all about the crypto summit. We have confirmed attendees for the White House Crypto Summit. You can take a look at it right here. Just type in Crypto Summit over in X. That's where I'm at. You can follow me. I'll put the link in the description if you want to follow. But I'll be putting out tips for the price of Bitcoin and price directions and price prediction that I see. So President Trump has just bought $10 million worth of Bitcoin and $10 million of ETH in one day. One day before the crypto summit, he definitely knows something. It says Ash Crypto. So that's very, very interesting. I love that people are following Trump's wallets. So breaking, Trump just bought another 10 million. Okay. Latest, the expected guest list for the crypto summit on March 7th has been revealed. Anybody good on here? Oh, we got Michael Saylor. Awesome. David Bailey, CEO of Bitcoin Magazine. Matt Hong, co-founder of Paradigm. I don't know what Paradigm is. JP Richardson, CSO of Exodus, managing partner of Multicoin Capital, co-founder of Trump Like World Liberty Financial, co-founder of Chainlink. There we go. CEO of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, CEO of Robinhood. Remember that crap they pulled with the GameStop short? They just stopped. They stopped all sales on Robinhood. They just completely took it off. They were getting short squeezed like a motherfucker. CEO of Crypto.com, CEO of Ripple. David Sachs, AI, Crypto Czar. Mark Yuda, acting chairman of U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Caroline Pham, acting chairman of the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Futures, all about leverage. So some exciting things tomorrow. Can't wait for that. Bitcoin CEO has not been invited to the White House Crypto Summit. Bitcoin, I think she's making a joke. And there's Trump. So back to the price of Bitcoin. Currently in a trade right now. I woke up at 2 in the morning because I had something on my mind. My daughter's experiencing some bullying at school, so it was on my mind and what to do about it. So anyways, I woke up at 2, checked the Bitcoin price, and caught the top. I was like, oh, we hit the 786 retracement. Let's grab that. So I grabbed that up there. Currently in a good spot, going pretty good. So we'll see how that turns out. But these are the levels that we're looking out for. So right now you can see obviously we're retesting 89,000. So let's see what happens at 89,000. We did kind of roll over here on the moving averages. The 1 hour is still above the 200 moving averages, and we did get a golden cross. The 21 moves across the 200 EMA, and so that's our golden cross on the 1 hour. It's coming down to retest the 200 EMA. We got the 50 right there, so it's a good cross point. We're kind of coming to that critical point here. Where are we going to flip this to support? It was previous resistance. And now we broke through, retested, came up, retesting again. So we'll see what happens on this retest here. Some levels to be looking out for. Easier to see on this chart. So we broke that back down into the range, and so we broke above the white line, which is the value area high. Came up, hit the downward sloping resistance. Okay, this is another reason I took that. Short. So coming down, okay, we retested the top, broke back down. So now what we are expecting is the price to come back down, test the point of control, and then if that doesn't hold, then the value area low, which is 82. So a couple levels that I was saying is we might come back down to test 82, certainly 84, but I think that this level right here will be a point of support. So let's see if that holds. More than likely, we're going to come down and test this point of control down here, and maybe even a wick down. So we'll see what kind of happens. If we pull a fib, I know I have a lot of lines going on right here, but if we pull a fib, our 786 is aligned right here as well at this point of control. So I'm going to look at this point of control as a high value area for this retest. If we break down, if we continue to come down, look for the 618 golden pocket and the 786. I mean, this is starting to line up as a good point because we have this point of resistance right here at just about 86.4. And so we could wick down easily into that, and if we do, you know, we're talking about hitting the 618 and then possibly break down further into the range for a strong retest before we bounce out of here. And this could all happen today. I mean, when the market just opened, it's 9:52 right now. So this could all happen today. You never know what's going to happen. Right now, Bitcoin looks like it's going to retest the value area high. Let's see what happens at that level. Another thing I wanted to point out about Bitcoin, and I want to point this out on the daily. So we're about to get the golden cross on the 1 hour, which we were just looking at. And now what we're looking at is a couple things. And let me see. Let me just bring this up. Okay. So we got our MACD. This is on the daily time frame. Retested the 21 moving average. So right now Bitcoin's trying to make a decision. Horizontal array, come back. Yeah, 87. So I was talking about 87. So we came up, we hit the 21 moving average, also the downward sloping support, resistance, right? Something like that. So we also hit that, took the short, came down. What we are waiting for, and we did just get this, if we look at the MACD cross, and like this is where the MACD cross can really pay dividends. We got the MACD cross. This is on the daily time frame. This is a bullish cross. Bullish cross, and we're above the moving averages. So we're technically in an uptrend, being above the 200-day moving averages. Like this is where I would say the trend is most likely going to be your friend. Now we just bounced off the 200s. We're getting the MACD cross, the bullish MACD cross on the daily time frame above the 200s. So I'm watching this area for a macro long. Like this is where I think that Bitcoin makes the bounce. We're going to get the announcement at the Crypto Summit on Friday. Everything's lining up. We already have the cross on the MACD, right? But it's just I want it to close today. If it closes today above, even if it retraces today or tomorrow, I would say I'm looking for, you know, a strong close on this MACD cross, maybe some more bullish divergence. Right now, I just don't see it. Like there's not on a big time frame. I was seeing it on the smaller time frames. If we go to down to the 4 hour, now see here on the 4 hour. Also want to point out that we're trying to make our way back into the range that we've been in since November. So since November we've been in this range, and we're at the value area low right now. And right now Bitcoin's trying to make a decision. I mean, it's right on the line. So, but on the 4 hour, look, see, we're below the 200 moving averages. We got the 200 smooth and the 200 EMA, all right, the blue and the yellow line. So right now we're under that, which is still keeps us in the downward trend. And, you know, there is this W happening. There's this W with a higher low. We need to make a higher high. Until we break out and make a higher high, we got more downwards to go. So let me write that out. So again, you know, if we pull the fib from this low to that swing high, right? The swing high over here at 94.5, we can see that we bounce off the 786. Great, excellent. All right, that's a strong bullish movement on the retracement. And then if we pull the fib from this low to this high, we see our retracements are down here, the 618, the golden pocket at 85.7 roughly, 85.6. And then we also have more support, or a key level of 83.9, so just about 84. So now we expect Bitcoin to come down, retest, and then make a higher high. I mean, that's really what we want to see. That'd probably be the most bullish. And then once we reclaim the level, so let me get rid of that. So once we reclaim the level and we come back into the value area high, then we can expect to make our way. So once we reclaim this level, we can expect to come up to the value area high, okay, up here, and then possibly break on out to higher prices, to new all-time highs. So that's the trade that I'm in, guys. I'm looking for a little retracement here and then break on out to higher highs. All right, so that's the move. That's what I see coming. Watch the daily MACD cross. This is what we're looking for. We're looking for this MACD cross to play out. We want to see the blue line cross over the red, which it has, but we need just more confirmation. We're just looking for more confirmation here. All right, more confirmation and probably a little bit of retest before we break out here. Once we break out of this downward trend, come up, retest the point of control, and then the top here at 99. I already have the green line there, and then we'll head on up, and then we're going to retest this value area high and see where we go from there. So that's my update for Bitcoin, guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments, and then I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.